again, and in today's video I will be sharing the top 5 career options which you can choose for yourself. Well dear friends, if you have just finished your high school studies or 12th standard and you are thinking of any degree to do or any diploma, then this video is for you because I will be sharing the top paid, highly paid careers options for next 10 to 15 years. Well, technology is definitely one of the fastest growing careers out there. Career in technology has several benefits and a high salary is one of them. There are several exciting opportunities in the technology field. You can have a career in technology in many different places, such as fast-paced startups, innovative tech companies, and small IT departments. In this video, I will tell you the top 5 highly paying careers in technology for the next 10 to 15 years. So on number 1 we have software engineer. Yes, you can do software engineering. Also you can be a software engineer manager. In an administrative job reporting to upper management, the role of a software engineer manager is to supervise and guide the work of other software engineers on project, including the design and development of software programs and applications. A software engineering manager generally needs at least a bachelor's degree in computer science or programming. On number 2 we have product manager. You have probably seen product manager on a list of the best paying IT jobs. A product manager works with the technical team to determine the product's parameters and then guides the development of the product from idea to launch. Well, product managers are also getting highly paid from different product companies, and this career is definitely growing up and will be on the list for the next 10 to 15 years. On number 3 we have database manager. A database manager is in charge of creating and managing the systems an organization uses to store and arrange data for businesses. They guarantee the security of the data kept by installing several security procedures. Additionally, the database manager is responsible for overseeing the database team's day-to-day operations and determining the data storage requirements of businesses. On number 4 we have data science or data scientists. Data science is without a doubt the highest paying job and great career in technology. Demand for data scientists has grown by 29% a year and 344% since 2013. This is for all the right reasons. A data scientist understands and analyzes complex data to help organizations make better decisions for more quickly. The yearly salary of a data scientist can be as high as $150,000, making it the highest paying job role of 2022. Well, in this list on number 5 we have UX and UI designer. Well, maybe some of you must be thinking that what is UI or UX design? Well, user interface design or user interface engineering is the design of user interfaces for machines and software such as computers, home appliances, mobile devices, and other electronic devices, with the focus on maximizing usability and the user experience is called UX and UI design. Well, the UX and UI designers are also getting highly paid and they are also growing up. The career is best option for you and they are making the layouts on which we work, like on computer and on mobile devices and many more. Well, that was the top 5 career options which I discussed with you, and I hope you got a little bit help from these and you are gonna choose one of them in future. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more. Take care. Bye bye.